In this segment, we'll walk you through the live view icons and controls and familiarize you with the menu's layout. Live view mode is the default view and will display all the connected cameras on screen. You can double-click a camera to view it in full screen. You may also click and drag a channel to reposition it. Right-click the mouse to display the menu bar. Choose the menu button to open the menu. Now enter your username and password to access the menu. Then select Unlock. You can also select All Camera View. Select Playback to review recorded events. Select the speaker to mute or adjust the volume. The recording icon indicates the camera is currently recording. The Running Man icon indicates your power hub is detecting motion. The PIR icon indicates a camera has detected one or more warm objects. To access the camera toolbar, left-click a camera. Select the movie camera to start or stop a manual recording. Select the camera to take a snapshot. Tap Playback to review recordings made in the previous 5 minutes. Tap Zoom to magnify an area. Then mouse over the area and use the scroll wheel to zoom in or out. Select the light bulb to enable or disable the camera's siren and spotlight. Right-click anywhere on the screen, then select the menu icon, and then select Setup to open the main menu. The main categories are shown on the left. Selecting a category will reveal subcategories, allowing you to alter the settings. Make sure to apply your changes to save them. The Display tab allows you to change the output resolution and change the menu's transparency. The Record tab allows you to select the stream mode, set the recording schedule, and change resolution, frame rate, and control bit rates. The Alarm tab allows you to alter motion detection parameters, define a motion detection area, control the warning lights, control the siren. The System tab gives you control of some of the most basic functions of the Power Hub, such as device name, language, and video format, date and time, and general device information. To power off your Power Hub, select the menu and select Shutdown, then select OK. Now enter your username and password, and then select Authenticate. You can now safely remove power from the recorder. For more information on the various options available, log on to support.swann.com and search AllSecure Manual.